What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we have an exclusive first look at a new model from Keystone Arcadia Super Lite. It's the 24 SLMD floor plan. Very popular selling floor plan in other models, so I think you guys are really going to like this. It's got a spectacular rear kitchen, and it's under 8,000 pounds, so it's half-ton towable. Do me a favor, leave a like on this video and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Let's get right into this one. Starting on the inside, you see this beautiful rear living / rear kitchen floor plan. But starting with the floor, it's Keystone exclusive hyper deck flooring. This flooring is going to be water resistant and is the best RV floor out there. In the kitchen, tons of cabinets and drawers. Tons of space for all your kitchen items and more. Also already comes with a garbage bin. Outlet up there, an outlet up here, and this one is inverted. Right here you also get this pop-up outlet here. You got some beautiful windows. Furrion microwave here, 3-burner range, and a Furrion oven. Little space down here for your pots and pans and everything else. 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. This is a solar friendly fridge, so when you have the solar going, it'll still run. And some more space for all your dry food on the side. Now let's talk about the standout feature, which is the dinette entertainment center combo. This dinette forms into a bed as well for extra sleeping space. And as you can see, it is a legless dinette. You just pull that down, place it right here when you want the bed. And up above, 40-inch smart TV with the Furrion soundbar. This is awesome for watching movies, TV, especially on those rainy camping days. And back there, that outlet is also inverted. In the slide, you got your theater seats. Heated, vibrating, and they've got lights. Charger right in the middle there. Cup holders. And right there, you got a USB port on each side. And a little bit of storage down there. Should also mention, these blinds are beautiful. Definitely different than what you're going to see in most RVs. Right here, you got some hangers for coats, sweatshirts, whatever, and some more cabinet space. Little seat right there when you want to put on your shoes. Speaking of shoes, you can shove them right under there. The AC in here is a 15K BTU AC, ultra quiet AC, that is. Quietest AC in the industry. And it comes with a residential filter. So you're really getting the best here. Walking up these stairs, here is your control panel. Take a look at that. Slides, lights, tanks. Then we're going to step into the bathroom. First off, you're going to see this huge medicine cabinet with some more space down there, drawers. There's your sink, and there's your water heater control panel. And there is another inverted outlet. There's that medicine cabinet. For the shower, you're getting a glass door. You can get a seat in there. Spots right there for your shampoo, soap, whatever. And you get a beautiful skylight. Towel hangers right here. Porcelain toilet. You got even more storage here. I mean, that's pretty deep. Stick my arm all the way in there. Tons of storage in this bathroom. Now let's head into the bedroom, where you'll find a queen bed and tons of storage. That bed slide really gives you a ton of space. You get underbed storage, and it is on the struts, so you don't have to hold it up yourself. You got the television mount backer. Perfect spot for the TV, right across the bed. On both sides, you have inverted outlets, and right behind, USB ports with this nice little shelf where you can put your phones and everything. Cabinets down there. These also stay up by themselves. Not all of them do on RVs, but these do. Some overhead storage. AC. This one is a 13.5 kBTU, and it is, again, ultra quiet, and it has the residential filter. You got your mirror here, and your shirt closet here, and your very deep drawers for all of your clothes. This bedroom really does it all. You got a nice, beautiful window. Now let's take a look outside. Up top, you see your awning with the LED lights. You got two outdoor speakers up top there. Now starting back here with this beautiful outside kitchen, you got a capital griddle and a mini fridge. Perfect for the summertime. Keep your beverages cool and make some amazing food. Down here, you got your leveling jacks, as well as your tires. You got the Road Armor Trail Air suspension for a super smooth ride. Also got the Peak Weather Protection Package, which is going to give you that heated and enclosed underbelly. Stairs are a Lippert solid step. And on the door here, you have this handle. Not actually sure what this handle is called, but I'm seeing it quite a bit more. Super convenient because you can grab anywhere. You don't have to get your hand in that one little spot. Here is your Suburban furnace. Key TV here with the outlet for it. If you want to put a TV out here, it is inverted. Here is your pass-through storage for all your extra gear. You got two lights there. LP tank, one on each side. And up front here is your front cap. And here is your Kurt pin box, Kurt ARV pin box. This is going to reduce chucking while towing, as well as reduce vibration by up to 50%. In the front storage here, you have your spare tire, battery spot, battery disconnect, and then your smart solar charge controller, 30 amp 12 volt for the 220 watt solar panel that's on the roof. There's your solar panel disconnect. There's your other LP tank and the other side of your pass-through storage. And here is your convenience center. Got your Key TV multi-source signal controller and your Lippert electronic leveling control panel. I've seen control panels in many different spots on fifth wheels, so let me know what you guys think in the comments of what the best spot for it is. Got the Girard tankless water heater. It's going to give you endless hot water, no more rationing water for showers, because you got endless. Both slides are cable slides. Good thing about this is you get 4 kind of points of tension, so it's sticking as close as possible to your RV. And on the back side here, You got your 2-inch receiver with a maximum capacity of 300 pounds. And you got your 50 amp hookup. Also prepped for a backup camera up here. And here is your ladder with a 250-pound capacity, which is going to take us to the roof. We're going to find that 220 watt solar panel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Overall, I think Keystone and Arcadia did a great job with this one, but let me know what you think down in the comments. And do me a favor, leave a like on this video, helps out the channel a lot. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. If you want to learn more about this unit or other units we have in stock, check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa, and I'll leave more contact info in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.